we're going to turn this mess into this. First step, we place stuff here. Then, we organize it. Then, we take the elastic strap and measure how much we need on our finger. Cut that part off. We also use a 2-part glue for this whole project. Take the fingertip and apply the liquid glue. Then, you take the spray and you use it on the elastic strap and you connect them together and they dry together in seconds. Now you're going to repeat this for every single finger. I didn't mute the audio on the rest of the clips because I thought the sound of the plastic was satisfying. But that means you are going to hear the buzzing from people texting me. So I apologize in advance.